Thank you for your time here at IATA in Dubai. Please tell us a little bit more about MTU.
MTU Air Engines is a key player in aviation. We have a commercial part on manufacturing and designing new engines, but we also overhaul, let's say, commercial and military engines. So that's our part. And we are leading independent provider of MRO services and trying to tailor-made our solutions to the airlines of this world.
And why is it important for you to be here at IATA? What is the key message you want to bring across?
I think aviation is all about connecting people, and we take pride in being connected both with our existing customers but also potentially new customers. So, and this is a melting pot for the whole industry with a lot of delegates from various regions of this world. And it's all about connecting to our partners. And so a great opportunity to take the temperature of the industry and hopefully from there on support the airlines in whatever mean we can.
And sustainability has been a key topic here at IATA. Are there some ways that you're also including sustainability in your own strategy?
Yes, obviously we have regulatory requirements, being a German-listed company, that we need to comply with. But also we are very much looking into the next generation of engine technologies and having several research and development projects in that regard, both with airframe partners but also the engine OEMs. And obviously SAF, sustainable air fuels, we take pride in being one of the first to use SAF in our outgoing tests. So, but obviously supply is still an issue in the industry.
And looking towards the future, are there any product updates you can share with us?
Basically, we are always looking to provide additional innovative services that complements our core MRO. Gina, we have a very large portfolio, so we command more than 30 engine types in our portfolio on the commercial side only. And obviously, we're always looking to add new services. And just recently, we launched a leasing platform where we are supporting with engine stands, because every time you need to remove an engine from wing, you need a stand. So all this is just to complement our core MRO services. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for your time today, and we wish you the best for the rest of the day.
Thank you. Thank you very much.